Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to adjust the schematic display and grid type in EasyEDA. When drawing a schematic, having the right display setting and grid type help us observe circuit connections more clearly and work more efficiently. That's why it's important to understand how to configure these options properly. There are two main ways to do this. The first method is through the top menu bar. Click on View, Grid Type, and you will see several options: grid dot, grid, or none. Simply choose the grid style that fits your drawing preference. The second method is even quicker. You can directly click the grid-related icon on the top toolbar to instantly switch the grid's display state or type. Overall, by properly adjusting these display settings, your schematic view will become cleaner, your workspace more comfortable, and your drawing efficiency will improve significantly.